In 2003, we started building our first unibody steel truck body. Now, 20 years later, we are in our facility now that has expanded several times since then. And now we are building a combination of the steel and the aluminum truck bodies here in our facility that we're in currently. As the welding demand for the steel truck bodies kept on increasing every year, we have since then added on another portion to the building where we separated the steel from the aluminum manufacturing. So we are now manufacturing steel in one plant, and the plant is where we manufacture the aluminum dump bodies and flat decks.
Do a lot of different welding here: steel, aluminum, a lot of flat decks, dump bodies, shipper bodies. We do all in-house welding training. We hire people that have little to no experience in welding. We do all the training in-house, as I said, for aluminum and steel, both. Are CWB certified, have been certified since early 2020. The process is fairly simple. We do have welding procedures for all our welding, are certified in the vertical down, flat, horizontal, all different thickness of material. Most of our welders are CWB approved. All our welds are inspected right at the end during all the sub-assemblies as well. And the final inspection takes place at the end of the welding, and also at the end of the final assembly. There's a lot of our customers, they do ask for the certification, and it just gives them peace of mind to make sure that they are welded by a certified welder. There, about 3.5 years ago, we ended up switching over to Feronia's welding machines, and the reason why we did end up doing that is the advanced technology that they provide. It's just the Cadillac of all aluminum welding.
We started manufacturing aluminum approximately 10 years ago. The demand of lightweight, go green became a very big topic in the transportation industry about 10 years ago. So we chose to follow that. Manufacturing steel bodies, welding them versus aluminum bodies, there is a significant difference in the process of welding. It's very important that the welder himself are willing to take significant training on the process of aluminum welding.